How you doing? And thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and safety emergency LED strobe lighting and equipment for cars, trucks, vans, buses, SUVs, UTVs, and anything in between. As you can see here, we've got a very nice 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. This is the LTZ model, and what we have in the grill is our Razor LED. A little hard to pick up there with the brightness the way it is. Just to show you what we're working with, let me go ahead and drop the ISO. As you can see, that's the pattern that's actually trying to be shown, and it's just washing out the camera. We have the alternating amber and white, and it goes into a fast flash from faster to slower. We'll return the ISO to auto. This is just normal viewing, no camera tricks. We're actually in a fully lit LED shop. You can see these all LED over bay lighting. You can see here we also have our mirror mod kit on the amber mirrors, forward facing. You can order that as the auto flasher for the amber mirror lights or the mirror mod kit, whatever you prefer. It's the same product, just two different names. The mirror mod was our legacy name that we started with, and is now being fulfilled with the auto flasher module, so it is listed as either product. We also hit the white reverse facing mirror lights, and we put a bunch of our new LED ECO HAW, or ECO HAW, in the back end of this truck. In the front tow hook, the fog pocket bezel, you'll see amber lights there. That's our TIR3 synchronized, and we face those primarily 100% sideways for some side vision on this truck. You can see there how they're faced right sideways in the fog pocket, and they complement the ECO HAW that's in the rear step pocket of the rear bumper. This way we have a nice forward and rearward side firing amber light, and a nice rear or nice center mirror light there in amber, and we have the rear facing white. You can see here how we're running both of our kits on the mirror, the white light kit and the amber light kit. You can see we've selected a slower, more subdued forward amber pattern, while we have a faster, more aggressive rear white pattern. We also tied in the steady burn feature of that white light. You can see it here just a little bit better, because that's the only white light facing the back of this vehicle. And I've been getting a few comments about white lights facing the back of vehicles lately. We got a whole slew of hate mail, and there's protesters outside with big signs like we're killing babies because we had some white lights facing the rear of the vehicle. So what we did with this one, so when you press the cargo switch, it'll override and steady burn that white light, so we don't have white flashing to the rear. So if you're going to freak out about the white flashing to the rear, don't. We've already fixed it. You can have it or you can't have it, whatever the user selects. Alrighty, so here's the rear shot. As you can see, we're running 6 of our LED ECO HAWs. These are the low dome version. We've got 2 side facing in the step pockets with the included bezel. We've got 2 in the reverse, and we've got 2 in the cargo. We remounted the cargo lights so you don't lose any cargo light functionality on these Chevrolets. And the reverse is mounted from the side, so you don't lose any reverse bulb functionality either. You can see the white rearward mirror lights doing their job there, and you can also see how we synchronized all 6 of our ECO HAW into an X pattern. Both the reverse and the cargo are Xing, as well as the tail light or the reverse and the lower step pocket. So once again, thanks for watching Wicked Warnings. This is George, your #1 source for construction and emergency strobe lighting and safety equipment. Make sure you check the description of the video for links to each one of these products and a shopping cart full of all the parts that we use to make this job. If you'd like to get all of the parts that we used for this vehicle and do the job yourself, you can order them all by checking the description and clicking on the links individually, or clicking on the cart link for the entire package. That way you can install and build your own package. Thanks again for watching. By the way, this truck was controlled by the overhead snowplow switch that's integrated from the factory. I've shown you that in other videos. That's what activates everything. And the OEM cargo light switch is what activates the mirrors, just like factory. Thanks again for watching.